Hello friends, my name is Theo, and today in this very exciting Mr. Media tutorial, we're taking a look at the new beauty tool in Davinci Resolve 15.2 and why you don't need it. So, here we've got this excellent clip of Paige. I've already done a little primary grade. We're in ACES right now, so ACES CCT. So there's what's going on there. sRGB output transform, because this would be going to the web, we'll say. And this is, a sort of typical, like, nice looking shot that you might get. And they'd say, she looks great and natural right now, but we want less, realism in the skin. So we want it to look more Barbie dolly. At least that's what I'll say. They'll say smoother or whatever, but really they want to make it look worse. So what you do is you'd add another node with Alt S, and you take a little key to get just the skin. So Shift H so you can see just our key. And this is a pretty difficult shot to key the skin on because it's all basically the same color. So bring this width down some and bring our lows up a little bit. Let's bring our width down even more. And we're getting that, and that's pretty noisy. We'll bring our saturation, low saturation up some. We'll denoise this all to heck, and then bring our in-out ratio in some. And we'll denoise it even more, because we don't need a super exact key. We just need to sort of smooth out the skin some. So that, we'll maybe widen this out a little bit. Still a little flickery, but we'll say good enough for YouTube, especially the sort of stuff we're doing this. We're not altering the luminance too much, so we can get away with a little bit messier of a key. So now we will add our beauty effect here, and I'm pretty sure this is only in the studio version. And you'll see this right away. Just, it does sort of a frequency separation type effect on here. So you can see if we crank this way up and add more texture, you see this, it's sort of like that frequency separation look. So we'll dial this way down and just bring it up until it starts to, we start to see it, and then bring it back down some. So we'll say about there is looking pretty nice. We can A/B this. Maybe bring it up a little more. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Diffuse the lighting some maybe. Just a little bit. Add a little more texture back in. So there you go. Now I've sort of smoothed it off a little bit. And that looks fine. We can maybe blend it back some so it looks a little more natural. So there's that. And, we got that. It looks fine. We sort of even things out a little bit. But it turns out the old way that I would do all the time actually works better. So I'll hit Control Y to create a new version. I will turn off the beauty plugin there. And what I'm going to do is just bring the midtone detail way down in one node. So right about there. And then I'll hit Alt O to create an outside node. And I will flip the alpha, or the key, I should say. We'll bring the midtone detail back here. And if we hit Control B to cycle between versions, you see there's with the beauty plugin. And there's the other way. We'll bring this down even more. And you can see you're getting pretty similar results, except I think this one is a little better. I think the controls are nicer. I think the result is similar, if not better. So especially if you look around the details in the corner of the mouth, they sort of soften off more here, and we still retain the contrast in this one. So there you go. If you thought the beauty plugin was cool, it is cool, but it's not something I'm ever going to be using. So, I'm all about getting the full version of Resolve. It's totally worth it. But if you're just going to get it for the beauty plugin, now you don't have to. But there's other good stuff. If you're a Blackmagic representative watching this, know that I'm not just dissing y'all. But beauty plugin's cool, and you don't need it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. No matter what, leave your feelings down in the comments below. If you think that I'm totally wrong and the beauty plugin is amazing, let me know. You think my way is dumb with the 2 mid-tone details, that's fine. Also, be sure to subscribe to Mr. Media YouTube channel if you want even more good videos like this. And if you want even more cool stuff, check out mrmedia.com/products, where we've got all sorts of cool stuff. So anyway, once again, I'm Theo with Mr. Media. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.